Crying baby. Exercise your lungs. Cry. Cry some more.
Good. Very good.
Cool. He's full term, right? 39.
Yep.
He will be 40 weeks on Tuesday tomorrow.
Yeah?
Tuesday tomorrow. Yeah.
Also, you're 39 and 6 days. 39
Yes.
and 6 days.
Yes.
Something I want to show you. I realize you can't destroy power. All you can do is make sure that it's right here. This is an advanced prototype.
Ay, it's so cute.
She never got to use it.
Crying
Now I
baby.
realize